have to look for your wear the tire.
Dude, since I watched this YouTube.
Hey guys, today we are recording outside in the rain. This is take 2.
Yeah, because I forgot to press the recording button.
I hit my nose enough.
Oh, Andrew sneezing already. Well, it's, you know, Florida weather, we don't bring the other camera out because...
We don't live in LA where it's no rain, it's all sunny and wildfires and stuff, no.
Here is hot 1 minute and another... Oh my God.
God.
You better get in the car before you get out.
So, no, it's because I hit my nose by accident on something, so then it's like, whenever I hit my nose.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna show you really quick because the rain is coming hard right now.
Hey guys, you know, we're not with the boys right now because this is LA. We are the boys right now.
Yeah, and look, we got this flat tire.
Yeah,
And this other one right here.
guys, this is a nice Mustang. I repainted red.
Yeah.
You know, I put my logo in front of it.
And the rain is coming like really hard right now.
And guys, I'm thinking of logo designs. Like, you know how we're doing this? What if we have a t-shirt doing that?
Oh yeah.
Like just
2 hands.
yeah. And then one in the corner, one right here, and then it says teching, and then teching.
All right then.
Oh wait, like this.
Okay, let's go because it's raining.
Okay, guys, I have ideas for like,
Yeah, you have ideas. Okay, it's open.
going in.
All right. See you guys at Walmart or in the way over there.
Guys, we're almost at Walmart, but there's an ambulance here. We don't know what happened. Guys, just saying, we gotta stay safe on the road, man. Oh, wow. Dang, that was bad. Wow, how come in the GoPro it's clear, but on the camera it's like dark and stuff? Wow.
What?
On the camera, like on the regular camera, the vlog camera that we got, it looks dark whenever we're recording you, but now it looks bright.
Turn. Okay.
Oh, there's Walmart.
Yeah, we are at Walmart and our camera is like at 30% of battery.
So guys, we'll see you inside.
Yeah.
See you guys inside.
Now we are at Walmart.
Are you? Are you? Or are we?
Look, there's somewhere.
Samuel said something funny about the air vents about Walmart. You know it's Walmart because they fix it with tape.
Okay, this one looks good. This one is small.
Oh, that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, because this I can connect to the compressor I already have at home. Because if not, I buy one of these little compressors. How much are these? Oh,
What?
that's $30. But that one you can carry in the car. But look at the plug. How come it's a plug like that?
Where are you gonna plug that into?
This one came with all the connectors, I believe, that you need. Yeah, even with the tape to put them on.
Yeah, guys.
And the thing to put the air in the car.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna get millions of views because people want to know how to fix their tires.
Because I have one of these, I cannot find it. I lost it. I don't know what it is. I looked everywhere. Couldn't find it nowhere. Then-
Weird.
But we're getting this one, and it's saying there, let me see. This one is 6-star host kit is $12.88, alright? Here at Walmart, then that's where we're getting this one. Alright. Hi guys, now we are at home and I have the parts right here. This is gonna be just to show you how to put it together, and that was my phone doing noises. Andrew's right there and he's gonna lower the volume. And to open it, I got these special scissors. There's nothing special. All my tools are all beat up and everything. Except for this one. This one look brand new, but I haven't used it such a long time that I have to put oil just now to make it work. But this is the hose, and you guys wanted to know, this thing always came very sealed, like a lot sealed. Then, and the background noises or sounds that you hear is my daughter. She's making a star cake. Yeah, it's a cake with the form of a star. She just cooked with her friend. And
They should have their own pancake channel. I see that happening.
right, I have told Melanie that a lot of times, but she's always no. Everything is no with this kid.
earlier today. I tried recording, but I kept getting interrupted anyways. Mom just came inside the room when it was like a perfect recording, and she's like, "Do you want corn?" during the middle of the recording, and I'm like, "What?"
So what? You know, all of the videos always get interrupted no matter what.
Guys, we're not living in LA with our buds knowing that we record, even though that our roommate yells at us anyways.
Alright, I think I got it. Yep. Oh, it's more?
No, you just got to pull it.
I don't have this. What's now? Okay, we got a air gun right there.
Are those
This is like
things that they make
they used to
spinners go fast?
what?
Like, you know how they like...
Oh yeah, you blow with this air, yeah. That's it. Because this is the tip for it. Right here, the tip. You just screw right here.
Did it show on the camera?
You screw right there. This is the tip that comes with it, and it came with a rubber part already in there, the seal, like a little gasket rubber thing. Then in here,
You can play Fortnite with it and go pew pew.
and this here is gonna need this other part for it right here. But to help it seal, they send you with a little piece of, well, a little roll of seal tape or Teflon tape is what it's called. Then you have to wrap it around the threads, like I think like 1, 2, 3 times is good, you know. Then you just break it, then you screw it right here with the tape. The tape, what it helps is to seal that the air don't get out. And here's where we use this big thing I have. I cannot use too much force in this, you know why? It's too weak. Because it hurts. I had surgery like a few...
Show them your belly.
No. Weeks ago. But this,
Don't worry, we'll blur it out. No, just
yeah. But this, it will go in the hose. Right. It's an air meter you put in the tires, and it will tell you the air that you have, the pressure. And this is the one that you use to put air in the tires. This is the one. They will connect to the hose. Right here, this other little part, I don't even know what it is. But, oh, I know what it is. Look, I show you. This is, you don't want to put this straight here. You know, you put this first. Then, after that, so you screw this away. Oh no, I thought it was. Oh no, it's just to blow like that without the pointing. You want to point it, you want it like that, then you use that. Okay, these are the actual holes, and it's tight. Got it out. And this is one of the ends for the hose. I need this in one end to go into the pressure, because these things connect like right this, like that. Look, I'm gonna show you. Look, you see there is connected right there, but this end is going in the other end because, let me cut that zip tie. You see, these scissors are actually good because they don't damage anything. You see they have a fat tip right there, then you can push without damage. But this is gonna go right here. But we need to put tape to. Teflon tape to seal for air. The air don't escape everywhere, you know. And you just peel. Or cut with the scissors, it'd be easier too. Right there. Then screw right here. tight, but this time I'm gonna grab it here in the bottom. Brand new channel. Brand new, look at that. I found this. Really is good, as long as it works. Okay. Tight. Then wire escape.
Don't hurt yourself.
That's it. Then the other side. Put tape in there too. Because this piece of this mess. Now someone is calling me, but I'm busy. Got it. Then we screw this other part right there.
You see the bottom of me?
Yeah, that's Andrew right there.
No, my name is Jeff.
Very tight. Then the hose is ready. And well, it looks like they didn't send one more piece for this. Then you're not going to use this gun. Then you're not going to use the gun. Then you have to take this bottom part out and put it in here for. We'll let you buy a third one more. You can get these things sold separately. And right now, what I need is this one there in my car. Right, see, get it tight in here.
Keep going. You got this.
Yeah, I cannot use too much strength, like I say.
Here, I'm strong and powerful.
This is good. Alright guys, see you outside. This is how they assemble it all together. You can save this tape for later because it's a lot of tape that you can use. It's always good to have this. The rest of the other things, you just get rid of it. But that's it for all the parts. And yep, that's it guys. See you later. See you outside with the hose. We're gonna use the hose right now. It's not raining. Hello guys. Bye. We are very loud because he was waiting for us to say something. Because this is the compressor. I didn't buy it. My wife bought it.
My wife.
Yeah, for real. I didn't buy it. Here is how you connect. Come on, show them over here. This is how you connect. You see, this is the connector we just put on it. And this is how you connect. You put right there.
Shove it in the hole.
And this is the other side. Where we're gonna put this thing to put air in the tires.
And also put a fidget spinner and go really round.
I'm gonna go there. And we go to the back tires. Then we want to leave the air.
Hopefully the rope makes it.
Is it rich?
Uh-huh.
Alright, here's the thing. Let's put it. And you can hear it going in. You have to push with this in the middle. Right there, you see the little thing and this little thing, they have to be like that.
Get that air action.
And you hear the thing, the compressor, when it gets low, it starts again.
It's rising.
It is?
Rising.
Okay, and it had to be 51 PSI, maximum pressure, 51. Say right there in the tire. And this is to check the air. Then right now, it's at 20. Had to go all the way to 50.
Ah, mosquito.
51. That's a lot.
Well, it is a car tire, bro.
Yeah, but most of the time they go to 35.
Here, let's punch it and see. Ow!
So,
That hurt.
all right, we show you when we go to the other side because the battery is low. We don't want it to die, right? How low is it?
13%.
13?
Yeah.
13 or 30?
13.
Then turn it off and we'll be back into the side. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Over there, I don't believe what it says on the tire, but here is where you have to look for your air in your tires too. 36 PCA right here. You say it right and cold. Then that's how much air you have to put. The 51 is way too much. If you slow, then that's what you have to do. All right,
let's
guys?
see if you can actually see that 36. Yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then, okay, see you when we start putting air in the other one. I haven't finished yet. All right. Right, now we are in the other tire. And I'm gonna start putting air. Look, this one is flatter than the other one. It might have a nail or something on it. You can hear the air going in.
Well, now it's going up. Well, I feel the car moving up too. Yeah, the car's moving up. I don't like it. Still flat.
Alright guys, see you when it's done. Alright, I'm done. Look, got the tire. Look, it looks totally different now.
Look at the world with this GoPro. Nice.
It is nice now.
Like, just look at the car, guys.
Yep.
It looks way better on GoPro.
Okay, see you guys.
Just say like, subscribe right here.
Oh yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. Like, subscribe more. Any comment is good. If bad or good, this is good.
And make sure to share this video on social media and everything else.
Yeah, like sharing is caring, guys. Don't forget that part.
Hey, dude. Since I watched this YouTuber that says share his channel, you should go subscribe to Technos 5000 Vlogs, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, see ya.
See you guys.